Here is a very simple trick that you can perform, and all you have to know is the top card in the deck. I would start with the cards in the box, take the cards out of the box, okay? If you know how to do a false cut or false shuffle, go ahead and do that, okay? But you really don't even have to. Take the cards out of the box. In this case, I know the top card is the Ace of Hearts, okay? So, I take the cards and I ask the participant to choose a number between, let's say, 1 and 10. Let's say they pick the number 7. I say, fine. Here's what I want you to do. I'm going to give you the deck, and all you have to do is just start dealing the cards down. Okay? Can you think you can handle that? Just like that. I pick up the cards, I put them back on the back on the deck. I give the cards to the participant. They take them, and I say, go ahead and deal down to the number you picked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I say, you pick the number 7, so that's your card. Go ahead and take a look at it. And they've chosen, without knowing it, the top card of the deck. So, how does that work? Well, let's look at it. You probably already figured it out. The Ace of Hearts is on top. I am going to nonchalantly teach them what I want them to do. I say, you're going to go ahead and deal the cards down just like I'm doing. Okay? Notice I'm not counting the cards as I'm dealing them down. I'm just nonchalantly dealing them down. They don't know how many cards I've dealt down, but I've dealt down the number they selected. I take the group of cards, I put it back on top. Now it's their turn. They deal down to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that 7th card, of course, is the Ace of Hearts. Let's look at it again. Ace of Hearts starts on top, right? When I deal the cards down, the Ace of Hearts moves from the top to the bottom, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I pick up the stack and I place it on top. Now the Ace of Hearts is 7th from the top. But they're going to reverse it now when they deal them down. And that Ace of Hearts, which was on the bottom a minute ago, is now going to be on top. Is that it? No, that's not it. Oh, I went too far. There it is. Okay? So, there's the Ace of Hearts. And because they picked the number 7, it seems fair that that's their card. Okay? Now, that is a trick that I learned, and I'll give a link in the description to the original effect. It was actually intended not to be a math trick in itself, but to be a force. Okay? A force in in magic. A force in magic is where you force the participant to choose the card that you want them to pick. So this can be done either way, right? You can use this to force the Ace of Hearts, and then it leads to another trick, or you can do it the way I performed it just now and make it a trick all by itself. Either way is perfectly good. So I hope that was kind of neat. A real simple, easy way to force a card or to do an easy card trick. And if you have any questions, go ahead and just put them in the description. Okay? Thanks.